Hello guys, I am back. This is Daria from Kaya Academy and I'm back with this video called Hello Crush. We're gonna be the main character of our lives. So data privacy, okay, I accept everything you say. I do. So I'm Labot Trio. I'm here to guide you through this adventure. Hello Labot. First name. Yes, my character's name. In this new version, you'll get to play a young Parisian fashion designer. Oh, Daria is a very pretty name. Would you like to keep it for the whole adventure? No, I'd like to change it. Oh, you guys, it's saying tap and hold for confirm your choices, but I'm tapping and hold. Rue. Okay. It was the right choice to change the rule. Sounds a lot nicer. You're a liar. Shall we go with this name? Yes. I've got it. Can we get started? Okay, I know these ones. I know. Oh, hey, sweetie. What did the doctor say to you? What did the doctor say to me? I've been feeling nauseous for weeks. I don't know how I'm gonna tell her the news. I'm pregnant. The doctor. I couldn't find any other explanation for why I would be feel like I'm Parisian, but I'm speaking English. I thought that it would be easy to tell Carla. It's not. There's no point in beating. He wants me to be getting a new. I'm pregnant. You might be. How is it possible? Oh. Why not? If you have, you seeing someone at the moment? No, you're up. Thanks for reminding me my life is a barren wasteland. Thank you, Carla. And she's a doctor. She's a cute doctor. I liked her. Super cousin. Oh, that's not what I meant. Has this got something to do with fling you had with Chris, the model from London? You see, I'm hanging out with people. They're from London. I'm not, just... I can't see on her. Either him or yes, he's probably did that. Let's not jump to conclusions. Maybe it's a false alarm. Here's what I suggest. Go home. Run yourself a hot bath with loads of bubbles. You should go to bed. And then tomorrow, once you're well rested, you can go to pharmacy and buy a test. You're right. I need to relax. If that would be me, that would be me, They say it's better to do pregnancy tests in the morning. Until then, just relax. Okay. No. From an experienced nurse, I wonder if Carla, who's 28, has been enrolled for a or found herself in a similar situation. Okay, you're probably right. I like this. So we have Carla is texting us. Mika doesn't care about us. Is the boyfriend, I'm assuming. Several people can be speaking to you. Okay, got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Someone texted me, Rachel. Mom Leroy, hello there. Mom, I'm her only daughter as far as I'm aware. So guys, I actually like this thing. I don't know why. It's like I'm not the one who's doing it, but it's like, you know. Oh, my dad is cheating. And now we have an ad. Amazing. They're always there. But guys, didn't you like it the way I play with you now? Hey, love, Chris. I'm pregnant. Guess it's yours. And I wonder how many steps I will need to take to tell Chris that he is the dad. I'm not pregnant I'm pregnant in the game. The character is what do you mean? My mom is my dad. So guys, alright, let's assume we keep talking, right? From here we can actually change it, the language, to English, French, or Russian. We can change the sound. We can get some help on support. We can online save it. We can Google Play Games, but my sign-in was failed. We can look at our achievements from here. We can rate the game also. And from shop, you can buy these things so you can use later in there. So we have chapter 2, chapter 5. Oh, they're locked for now. So gallery, diary. I have a diary, which we're playing the first one. We have how many of them? I don't want to look because I'm gonna finish this game tonight. So okay, we have received it. Okay, what do you say, Mom? It's possible that your father has a mistress. I keep asking myself if I wronged him in any way. Maybe I'm just not attractive enough anymore. Honestly, darling, how do I like? Do you think that people could still find me attractive? You're beautiful. She is gonna cheat too, isn't she? Guys. Okay, it's good. I'm gonna keep talking with my mama, Rachel. Okay, I'm gonna keep talking with her. She needs some help. Like, I should. My mom feeling lonely, you know? I cannot leave her alone like that. You guys, tell me, do you think my father is cheating or not? In the comments, and go play this game. You're gonna feel like a teenager again. I swear, I swear. So okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also go and hit that subscribe button too. So I'll see you guys in my next video.